Good day everyone. My name is Angelica Ramillano and I am going to talk about computing mean, variance, and standard deviations. This is part of our lessons and this is the part that I choose to discuss. Computing mean, variance, and standard deviation. Probability. And here is the example. From the defective cell phone, determine the variance and standard deviation. And this column is the number of defective cell phone, which is the X, from 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And the second column is the P of X, which is 1 over 6, 4 over 16, 6 16, 4 over 16, and 1 over 16. And the next column is the X times P of X. We're going to multiply this X times P of X. 0 times 1 over 6, 0. 1 times 4 over 6 is 4 over 16. 2 times 6 over 16 is equal to 12 over 16. 3 times 4 is equal to 12 over 16. 4 times 1 is equal to 4 over 16. And now let's proceed for the next column. The X minus mean. When we don't have mean yet, so we need to get the mean first before we can solve this column here. To get the mean, you have to add this part. 4 plus 12 plus 12 plus 4 is over 16. Here the formula in solving the mean. Mean is equal to sum of X times P of X so that we can get the mean, which is 4 over 16 plus 12 over 16 plus 12 over 16, or that is 12 over 16 plus 4 over 16. The summary is 32 over 16. 32 divided by 16 is equal to 2. Now we have the mean already, so we can solve it in the other column. So X minus mean. So we need to subtract the X to the mean. 0 minus 2 is equal to negative 2. 1 minus 2 is equal to negative 1. The next 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Next one, it's 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. That's it. That's how we solve the mean. Then let's proceed for the next column, which is X minus mean to the square root of 2. Okay, let's proceed for this part, this column. So we need to multiply it by itself, by 2. Okay. Negative 2 to the square root of 2 is equal to 4. Negative 1 to the square root of 2 is equal to positive 1. Then 0, positive 1, and plus is 4. Next, let's proceed also to the last column, which is P of X times x minus mean to the square root of 2. So this part, we need to multiply the p of x times x minus mean to the square root of 2. Okay, 1/16 times 4 is equal to 1/4 or 0.25. This is the lowest or the let's proceed. P of x times 4/16 is equal to 1/4, 0.25. Let's proceed for the next is the 4 times 1 is equal to 1/4 or 0.25. Next again, 4/16 or 1/4 or 0.25 in decimal form. To get the variance, we have to add this column, or you have to get the total of this one. And here is the variance formula. Sum of p of x times x minus mean to the square root of 2. And let's put all over this column. We have to add it all, which is 0.25 plus 0.25 plus 0.25 and 0.25, and the total of this one is equal to 0.25 to 0.25 is equal to 1. This is the variance. Okay, let's proceed to the standard deviation. To get the standard deviation, we have also a formula for the standard deviation. This one is equal, standard deviation is equal to the square root of sum the f of x minus mean to the square root of 2 is equal to, let's get the total of the variance, square root of 1, and also the answer is 1, the standard deviation. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you learned something from our discussion today. Goodbye.